Hi guys, this video is actually regarding the brand design system and the user properties, which I have used to just using the shortcut as a control alt C and just pasting that properties onto the other elements that I have made. Just a simple option that is command alt and then V, right? So this is a simple demonstration of the things which I was doing for the create some kind of project related to community and question and answers. So these are screens which I have used properties to just copy it from the brand design systems we do have for our project. So that is why I have used with the help of those I have got an easy way to do the things and how fast we can make those things by just copying those text and the visual designs that we are not able to understand it from the GPTs also. So this is just a kind of a casual work which I was doing and the stuff which I used in this video. So that's it, and it was just a kind of a simple kind of video for just for watching it, kind of maybe kind of a learning or the way that I have used to make all those screens.